Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how to install a Facebook Pixel on your Shopify store. It's very easy now. What a Facebook Pixel does is it tracks data on your website and offsite conversions and stuff like this. And there are applications on Shopify where you can actually run multiple pixels, but I am actually going to be talking about that in the Shopify store module, how you can install multiple Facebook Pixels if you are running a general store. But I just stick to one because I'm pretty much running niche stores now. I don't do much general stuff. And I'm going to show you how to install the Pixel the easiest way on your store. So if you go to your store settings down here and you go to preferences, there's going to be this little section here that says Facebook Pixel. Now in Facebook, you're going to go to up to here and you're going to go to manage adverts. What this is going to do is going to take you to here and you're going to go to Facebook adverts and you're going to go to pixels, and we're going to create a pixel. So what it does is it measures real world outcomes from your advert, Facebook adverts. It delivers your adverts to the right people to get most of the conversions you want. So it might get you some purchases, might get you some add to carts, and then you can start to use it later on for advanced targeting and building out custom audiences. So I'm going to go create pixel and I'm going to call it Shane Thomas's Pixel. You can really you can just do whatever name you want. Now it says 1 pixel per advert account, but you can actually create multiple pixels inside the business manager. So I'm going to go to next and I'm going to create my pixel. This is very, very easy stuff right here. This is not very hard at all. And I'm going to copy and paste. Oh, I might be able to so I'm going to go Shopify there. So you can go back, you can copy and paste. What you can do is you can actually copy the ID into your thing, but we're going to go back and see if we can just do, this might be easier for you. Click on Shopify and it'll give you a rundown of how to do it. And all you do is you go to your Facebook Manager, select the pixel from the top menu. If the status is active, your pixel is active, so that's when it's actually active. So that's just giving you a rundown of your pixel ID. So this is saying in the Facebook Pixel section of the page, copy and paste your pixel ID. This probably isn't my ID. I'm not. It might be. So we're just going to copy that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to actually go back. I'm going to actually double check it is my ID. Just make sure you double check that. 644. I'm just gonna quickly 640. Yep, that's my ID. Just double check that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy that little code back into my store right here. That's all I need to do now. I don't need to change any code and stuff like that. Only digits. I need to get rid of the C. And now it is installed. So what I want to do now is view my store, and you want to download a Chrome extension called Pixel Helper. You can just Google it and you want to click on here and you'll see it's working. Okay, so there's my code and there's where it says page view. So now I have installed my Pixel on my page, and we should be all good to go, ready to rock and roll. Close, and now if we refresh this, we should have a pixel. And now we have a pixel. So it's already got 22 fires. Don't know what's that. Oh, right. Oh yeah, that's just some fires there. So I actually just paused the video and actually messed with something before. So what it's done is I was playing with my theme just before. I actually got an email from the guy that's developing it, and I just jumped in and so it calculated 2 view counts, add to carts, and a few other things. So it's installed on my thing and it's working quite nicely now. Last received 19 hours ago. Oh, so it's actually tracking some stuff from before as well. And then you've got you can email the pixel code to people. You can create conversions, create audiences, which we will cover that later on. But that's how you install tracking pixel code easily on your store. Just you need to put the Facebook Pixel ID in here now. It's a lot different than what it used to be. Now with the Pixel, it's best just to run one pixel per store. Okay, don't use the same pixel on multiple stores. And if you are doing general stores, you can use applications on Shopify to use multiple pixels on one particular store. So that's it. That's how you install the Pixel, nice and easy.